Hello, everybody. Just I want to show you how to remove the ink from this Canon DZ200 printer. So this is a Canon DZ200 printer. Just I have opened in this way. So sometimes what happens when you keep the printer in idle condition for a long time, that means when the printer is kept for a long time in unused condition, what happens, this is the printer head. So this printer head becomes dried here. The print head is there at the bottom where the spring is sprayed on the paper. So this get clogged, or this get dried. So at this time, what happens, even though your printer seems to be working, but there will be no printing on the paper. So at that time, what you have to do is that you will have to remove the print head, and you can wash the print this part of the print head with any organic solvent solution, like this one. This one you can use. This is generally used for the cleaning of mobile or any electronic PCB, all those things. You can spray it and leave it for 2-3 minutes, and you can gently wash with a fine cloth. So then whatever the clogging is there, so this clogging you can remove, and if you want, you can add some extra ink to this print head, because the ink level inside this print head goes down when you keep it for a long time unused. So very tricky is there here. This type of nozzle, syringe, medical syringe you will have to use, and this is the needle. Just I will remove it like this. Just a minute. So I removed the nozzle now. This pin, this is syringe pin of this syringe. So very important point is that here two print heads are there. This one is there. This is for color printing, and this one is the black, which one I have removed now. So when you remove the print head, please take care that here this black ink tank is there here. This is the black ink tank where you have to pour the black ink here, and here this side color tanks is there. 3 basic colors you will have to pour into these containers by removing these rubber corks like this. And suppose if you want to remove some ink from this tank, what you will have to do is that if you are keeping this in this mode, it allows you to drag the ink from here, or the ink will come out of this hole. this ink will come out of this hole. If it is made down, you can see that immediately something happening. So you should keep in this mode only always, otherwise the ink in these tubes will go back into the tank, and the tubes becomes empty like this. You can see here the color tubes are empty because the ink has gone back to these tanks. So to make the ink flow again into these tubes, what you have to do is that you have to take this kind of syringe, and this one you have to close, and immediately you pull some ink from this like this. You see the ink is coming. So in this way, and as soon as you stop pulling, taking out the ink, this should be again keep in the top position, otherwise the ink will go back into the tank. So now you can see I removed the ink, black ink from that tip. So this is very, very important, and if you are keeping this lid up, the ink will not come in this direction, or the ink will not flow through these pipes. And if you are keeping in this position, the ink starts flows, and as I told, take the syringe and pull the or drag the ink from these holes so that the ink is again filled into the tube. So this is the simple technique to repair sometimes, because the printing will be not there even though the printer is working. The reason is that these ink tubes may be empty and the print heads may be dried. So these are the two important reasons. Always they struggle you a lot, and this you can do it in your home yourself. Thank you for watching.